ClickOnCare.com.
Hi guys, this is Ankita from ClickOnCare back again with a new video. Today I have that product with me which is a solution for all your skin tanning problems. But before I tell you about the product and how does it work and what are its benefits, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. And while you're there, don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss a video update from ClickOnCare. We are always exposed to UV rays, harmful UV rays, and dust, pollution, and then we can't always stay at home, so the most part which is exposed is our face. Face is the only part which is exposed the most, and due to that we get tanned or our skin tone reduces. So because to get rid of all this we use too much of chemicals on our face, and due to that it sometimes works and sometimes don't work. Today I have a product with me that is EnerC 1000. EnerC 1000 is the main benefit of it has vitamin C. Vitamin C, we all know that it helps to lighten your skin tone and it helps to regenerate your skin, and it has a all new and very much of benefits in it. This is how it looks like if I open it. This is how the tablet looks like. And I'll show you how to intake this. This is a 200 ml of water. Put it in, let it dissolve for a while. You can see the color is changing. And you can see this is orange flavor, and you have one more flavor with this. And this is called, it is a lime and lemon flavor. This, instead of using too much of harmful or chemical products on your face, you can intake this. Even this has a benefit of vitamin C. And if I just, even the taste is very nice. It has a tangy orange flavor, and it just but guys, in a day just take only one tablet, not more than one. This which I have with me, it contains 20 tablets in it. So guys, this is it for today. Hope you like this video, and if you did, like, share and comment. And if you want me to review any other product, write a one line in the comment box. And if you want to purchase this product, you can visit our site www.ClickOnCare.com, or check the link given in the description box. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store.
Now on Android and